So I had a customer yesterday, or maybe it was the other day, ask, when you're adding fields, so let's say you're adding a lead field, do you have to add that same field to an account, contact, and a deal? So like if you're in Salesforce, you have to add it in all those three different places separately. So the cool thing about Zoho CRM is all you have to do is add it to the lead, and it gives you an option that you can say at the same time that you're creating it, not later, not after you've already created it, but when you're creating it, is that you can opt to have it added to the other account, contact, and deal. Any one of those. You could just have it so it adds just to the account, just to the contact, or just to the deal, or all three of them, or two of them, or whatever. Anyways, I'm going to show you real quick how that's done. And again, you got to learn a little bit every day, right?
All right. So let's say you are creating a new lead. So you go into the setup up here, little tools, go into modules and fields, go into leads, go into the standard layout. We're just going to add an access code, just a text field. So we're just going to grab this single line, pull it down into the layout. I'll type in access code. Then all you have to do is come over these three dots over here and edit properties. And you'll see down here it says also create for account, contact, and deal. So you can select 1, 2, or 3 of them, and then that'll add it to those other modules. You can also select the other options here as well, but this is where it's at. So I'm going to save that. So that was access code. Now if I go into a deal, when you go to the details, here's access code. If I go into the account, go to the details, here's the access code. So it created it just like that. So saving those keystrokes is huge. And then later on, let's say you don't want to have it on the deal for whatever reason. You're like, I don't know why I need an access code here. So then you could always just remove it from the layout, right? So you can go into edit, edit page layout up here, and then you could always just go like this and remove field. Yes, I want to remove it. And what it does, it puts it down here in non-used fields. That's it. Pretty simple, right?
Hey, if you like the video, click the like button, like everybody else asked you to do. And then also, you can check out another video over here, and then you can check out, click over here if you haven't subscribed already to the channel. So, go on to another one. We've got to learn something every day, right?